Nobody's gonna know. Nobody's gonna know. They're gonna know. How would they know?
Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another FX tutorial. Today, I'm going to show you guys how I got multiple PS5s and Xbox Series X's into one picture. Step 1. Get the consoles, or at least their box. I was able to buy these consoles through constant Twitter notifications from GOYX deals and with some perseverance. Step 2. I started placing the consoles and controllers on our glass for aesthetics, and then started placing the boxes in different areas without having them overlap each other. Each time I did this, a single picture was taken. Once I got all the shots I needed, I went straight into Photoshop. I used about 8 pictures, but had to use a few more than once since I had a lot of the boxes overlapping, so I had to do more editing than I needed to. This photo right here will be the main picture I'll be using, and it will be used as a background layer. Every other shot I want to use will be layered on top of this one. I'm going to start adding more consoles by first dragging this photo onto the main photo. I made sure layer 1 was selected before I started. On the bottom right hand side, I clicked on the add a mask option. This created a white layer mask thumbnail. After this, I held down Ctrl I in order to hide the layer that I was working on. In order to start unmasking the layers I want unhidden, I will need to use the brush tool. I adjusted the brush size and made sure the foreground layer was white. At this point, all I needed to do was brush in the parts that I want showing. If you took everything perfectly, which I did not do here, editing will be super smooth. But as you can see here, I had the boxes overlapping when I was placing them for each shot. I ended up having to do more than just masking, but I'll keep it simple for this tutorial for now. But that's it. I ended up using this technique for each of the other layers I had to mask in. You can utilize this simple masking technique in order to clone yourself, objects, and anything else you can imagine. I'm gonna go ahead and fast forward this until the very end. If you guys have any questions on the editing process or how I got these consoles, leave a comment down below. Alright y'all, thank you guys for watching my latest tutorial. Be sure to like the video and comment down below if you need anything answered. Subscribe to the channel for more, and as always, happy editing.